Are you looking for a home in a quaint beachside community that feels miles away from everything with a relaxed vibe, yet you're close to all of your daily amenities?
And maybe you need lots of space. We're talking not one, but two detached garages for that car collection, your summer and winter toys, or maybe even a home gym or a home business.
On a property that's fully fenced with a wood-burning sauna and a hot tub, well, this home checks off all the boxes. All that and more on today's episode.
All right, Julie, we have a beautiful summer day right by the water. Why don't you tell us a little bit about where we're at?
Absolutely, Devin. Today we find ourselves on Lakeside Drive in Innisfil. This quaint little community is an enclave of homes that has such a unique vibe. It's very quiet, very little through traffic, and you're literally within walking distance to a yoga studio, to a nail salon, to a general store, and a restaurant. That sounds like heaven to me. Not to mention we're in walking distance to the beach, and we're just a short drive to Friday Harbour with all of the fantastic lifestyle amenities that has to offer, from the marina to the restaurants and the boardwalk, and there's a Starbucks there too. This community literally has it all. While it has this beautiful quiet feel, you are literally moments away from all of your daily amenities. Dev, why don't you tell us a little bit about this house that we have here today?
That's right, the neighborhood is spectacular, but so is this all brick 2,000 square foot ranch bungalow loft with generous sized bedrooms, a stunning fireplace, and all sitting on a stunning lot. We can't wait to get inside and take a closer look.
Welcome inside 47 Lakeside Drive. This ranch-style bungalow loft has the most functional layout. You have an oversized mudroom, which leads directly into the kitchen here, so when you're bringing your groceries in, the function is there. In this kitchen, you've got plenty of prep space, stainless steel appliances, and it's bright and light filled. Not to mention, we have a main floor laundry for all your conveniences. The kitchen then seamlessly flows into a formal dining space that's perfect for dining and entertaining.
And right off your kitchen and dining is this large living space that's flooded with natural light with this beautiful window package. And it's the perfect spot to gather with the family, put on a movie, and cozy up next to your stone gas burning fireplace. And conveniently off of the main living space is two generous sized bedrooms that could be converted into your office or playroom. It is all rounded out by a 3-piece bath.
The upper level features a generous primary retreat, complete with walk-in closet that has a sliding rustic barn door that adds such character and charm. The upper level is rounded out by a 4-piece bathroom that's been updated, plus an additional bedroom. The versatility of this property just keeps on giving, and with this detached, oversized 2-car garage, whether you're a hobbyist or you're looking for a home gym or a man cave of your dreams or a she shed that's larger than life, this is the perfect spot to do it.
And this isn't a glitch, but the versatility keeps on going. We have another oversized detached garage and an additional driveway. So what does that mean? That means overflow parking for your guests and family, or parking for a boat or an RV. And this detached garage gives you the versatility for your car collection, toys, or a workshop.
This home is placed on a generous 100 by 150 foot lot that's fully fenced and also has oversized gates that allow you easy access to your backyard.
And for the entertainers, we have a wood-burning sauna, an enclosed hot tub, and a fire pit for all your friends and family.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Innisfil. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.